Hi all, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the new budget range Pyraminx offering from QiYi Toys, the QiYi MS Pyraminx. In case you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our latest content. Now without any further ado, let's get started. QiYi Toys released the MS series cubes in April 2020. The puzzles in this series are basically aimed at beginners, that is those who are starting out with cubing and want to get better at it. The QiYi MS Pyraminx is one of the 5 cubes in that lineup aimed at beginner cubers who want to take advantage of the magnetic stabilization at a budget-friendly price point. Now going to the box contents. The cube comes in a nice reusable plastic box that can be used as a cube cover to avoid catching up of dust on the cube. The box contains just the cube and a solving pamphlet. Now talking about the specifications, the MS Pyraminx is 93mm in size, weighing just 77 grams. It is a magnetic Pyraminx with semi-glossy surface finish. Out of the box, the Pyraminx comes with a bit of factory lubrication and has half-bright color scheme. The cube comes in 2 variants, stickered, that is the black base stickered version, and the stickerless variant. Now talking about the Pyraminx itself. Out of the box, the Pyraminx has a very unique hands feel to it thanks to the semi-glossy surface that has a bit of friction. It comes with somewhat loose tensions out of the box and has a bit of factory lubrication. But we recommend adding some Cubelelo premium lube like the Cubelelo Classic to make it smoother. The Pyraminx feels stable and the grooves are enough to keep the lubrication going for a decent number of solves depending upon your solving style. The Pyraminx comes with magnetic stabilization system which gives it a clicky and tactile turning feel. The magnets are however on the lighter side. We gave this Pyraminx to Naren Ramesh, who is currently holding an R2 in Pyraminx, to test it out. Let's hear what he has to say and his average of 5 with this Pyraminx.
Hey, what's up guys, it's me Naren Ramesh. I'm going to be talking about the QiYi MS Pyraminx. The puzzle comes in fairly standard fluorescent stickerless shades and does not have a frosted exterior, but it is slightly hard to grip out of the box. Coming to the out of the box feel, it is very sandy and very fast with a very smooth feeling to it. This feeling does not change with break-in using lubes such as weight 5, and tensioning is not too useful when it comes to changing the feel of the puzzle either. However, it does increase the stability of the puzzle. In my opinion, this Pyraminx will be suited for those who value very fast turning on a Pyraminx and do not care much about strong magnets. On the other hand, if you are someone who really values strong magnets on a puzzle and really values heft to your puzzle, you will not really enjoy this Pyraminx. Finally, I would like to talk about the price. With most mainstream Pyraminxes coming in at about 1000 rupees, such as the X-Man Bell Pyraminx. This is about half the price of most Pyraminxes, which makes it suitable if you're on a tight budget. However, if you are someone who prefers a heavier Pyraminx and you have the budget, I would recommend going for other Pyraminxes such as the X-Man Bell version 1 or version 2.
On a whole, the MS Pyraminx is a great choice for beginners to upgrade to a magnetic cube at a low price point. It is available for ordering on Cubelelo.com. We will provide the link in the description box below. Also, if you like the information in this video, do hit the like button and we will see you in the next one. Happy cubing!